If you want to restore backup from a Google account on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, then we have two ways to do so. The first method is to do this during the initial configuration. Once you see this menu, copy apps and data, once you see that during the initial configuration, then you can tap on next. You will have to sign into your Google account, and afterwards you will see all backups that belong to the Google account that you signed into. And also, if you skipped that during the initial configuration, you might still find Android setup notification where it will say that you can finish setting up your device or something like that, or it might be set up in progress. And if you go through that menu or through that setting again, you will find many of the same options that you have during the initial configuration, including this one, copy apps and data. So in this case, you can just simply go next, and then you can see all your backups in here if they are linked to your Google account. Leave a like and subscribe.